So the Easter Bunny stopped by the other day and dropped me off something very surprising. I'll show you. I don't have any idea what this is. I'm going to have to open it up later as I'm on a bit of a crunch now time-wise. I gotta get some stuff done today. Let's take a look what this is. So this big box came today, or yesterday, last night when I got home. So looking forward to seeing what's in there. I'm going to have to open it later. I'll show you guys, see what we got. Until then, I hope you have a wonderful Easter, because that's what I'm shooting today. It looks, in my neck of the woods, like a beautiful day. I hope you have a great day with friends and family, and enjoy the day. Till next time, talk to you later. Consider following the channel if you're not already. I appreciate it if you give a thumbs up, and always love to hear your comments. See you later. Bye-bye.